Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on setting up an autoresponder in Activecampaign. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, click on Campaigns and then select Create New Campaign. Next, choose the type of campaign you'd like to create. For this tutorial, we'll select Autoresponder. Fill in all the necessary information as required. You'll also need to verify your email address at this stage. Then, select a list to send your autoresponder to. You can choose any list you prefer. Don't forget to enter your physical address as required. After that, click on Create with Email Designer. You can pick any template you like and customize it to suit your needs. Once you're done customizing, click on the Next button and then hit Finish. And that's it. Your autoresponder is all set up. We hope this guide has given you a clear understanding of how to leverage Activecampaign. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.